Hey, it's Ash from Simply Planned AU. In this video, we're going to go through how you can link to the receipt that you have for certain expenses from your bookkeeping sheet into a folder in your Google Drive. So, for example, I would like to link my website hosting receipt to my spreadsheet so that I can click it and it will actually just bring up the receipt for me to see straight away. So what I need to do is to go into your Google Drive, anywhere in your drive that you would like to have a folder with your receipts and things, and you're just going to create the folder. So you just right click and then you create a new folder and then you name it anything you like and create, and it'll pop that there. So I'm just going to go into the one we've already got here. Once you've got your folder, you can then organize it however you like. If you'd like to organize it by month or by the type of receipt it is or anything, you can create subfolders in there as well. Okay, so now we're going to upload our receipt. So I'm just going to use any image that I have saved in my downloads folder. I like to just drag and drop. You can also right click and click File Upload. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder and pull out a random image that I have and just drag and drop it. Now, because I've already done this, it says I've got one that's got the same name, so I can either replace it or keep both files. So if you've got receipts or things that might accidentally have the same number, you might run into that. Okay, so now it's brought up my file here. So what I need to do next is get a link to it. So if I right click it again, I can click Get Link and it'll bring up a thing. So you'll notice here, people with access is you. If you have, if it's a business account that has multiple people, you can add or have extra people here as well. You can also change the access of the file. So if, for example, you're sending it through to a bookkeeper or accountant or something, you could change it from restricted to anyone with link. And that means that anyone who clicks on that link can then view that receipt as well. So it's up to you what kind of access you'd like to offer. If you are in restricted, if they are listed as someone with access, they'll still be able to get the link. So you can always just add them to the spreadsheet itself, and then they will also have, or to the file, sorry, add them to the files or the drive or the folder, and they will then have access to everything. So if we click copy link, and done, we've now got the link there. So we'll go to our spreadsheet and to the transaction we'd like to add it to, and I'm just going to call it receipt. You can name it anything you like, or you can just paste the link without titling it. So then you're going to go to insert link, so you can find it by clicking on this little icon here, the link. You can also go to insert and click link there as well. Then what we're going to do is just paste our link that we just copied. So you can either right click and paste or Control V and apply, and wherever we've clicked is now going to paste it. So because I'd accidentally clicked up there, it's pasted my link there. So I'm going to delete that and try again by clicking on receipt and the link and pasting it, apply. So now our link is here. So when you click on it just in the cell, you'll see here's a little preview, and then if you actually fully click the link here, it will take you to that file. So it'll bring up a view of our file. There we go. So that's what you'll have saved for your receipt. You can download it, you can print it, you can add comments and things. So that's how you add your receipts directly into your bookkeeping spreadsheet. So all you need to do is click on the link and it'll bring up the receipt for you. See you in the next video.